everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with Natalia, the podcast where learning English is easy and fun.
Hey guys, I'm Luke, and I'm super happy to be here again. Natalia, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great, Luke. I've been dreaming about the topic of today's episode.
Dreaming about it. That sounds mysterious. What are we talking about?
We're talking about vacations. How to talk about vacations in English.
Oh, I love this topic. Who doesn't love vacations, right?
Exactly. Whether you go to the beach, the mountains, or just relax at home, everyone has a story about their vacation.
So today, we'll help you learn some useful vocabulary and expressions to talk about your vacation in English, naturally and confidently.
That's right. So grab your notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive in.
All right, Natalia, let's start with an easy question. How was your last vacation?
It's amazing. Last summer, I went to the beach with my family.
Nice. Which beach did you go to?
We went to a small town called Praia de Luz. It was beautiful. The water was clear and the weather was perfect.
That sounds great. So you can say, I went to the beach, or I traveled to the beach.
Exactly. And when you describe your vacation, you can use simple past verbs like went, visited, or stayed.
Right. For example, I visited Paris last year, or I stayed in a hotel near the ocean.
Let's give our listeners a little challenge. Think about your last vacation. Where did you go?
Yeah, repeat after us. I went to. Go ahead, say it out loud.
I went to the mountains. I went to the city. I went to the beach.
Nice. That's how you start describing your vacation.
Now let's talk about what we do on vacation. Luke, what do you usually do when you're on vacation?
Oh, I usually sleep a lot. But I also like exploring new places, taking photos, and trying local food.
That's a great mix. You can say things like, I went sightseeing, I tried new food, I took a lot of pictures, I relaxed by the pool.
Right. Those are very common expressions. Let's say them slowly for everyone to practice.
Sure. Repeat after me. I went sightseeing.
I tried local food.
I took a lot of pictures.
I relaxed by the pool.
Perfect. And remember, pronunciation matters. Speak slowly and clearly.
Yes, even saying just a few simple sentences with confidence sounds amazing in English.
Now, another important part, talking about where you stayed.
For example, I stayed at a hotel, I stayed at a friend's house, or I stayed in an Airbnb.
Right. You can also say, the hotel was nice. The food was delicious. The view was beautiful.
Let's make a mini conversation. I'll ask you, and you answer naturally. Ready?
Let's go.
Where did you stay on your vacation?
I stayed in a small hotel near the beach. It was clean, quiet, and very comfortable.
That's perfect. Simple sentences like that are great for beginner conversations.
Now, let's imagine you're planning your next vacation.
You can use the future tense. I'm going to.
For example, I'm going to travel to Japan next summer.
Or, I'm going to visit my grandparents.
You can also use I want to. I want to go to Italy. I want to visit the beach again.
That's right. Let's practice both forms together.
Repeat after me, listeners. I'm going to travel next month.
I want to go somewhere warm.
I'm going to visit my friends.
Great job. That's how you talk about future vacation plans.
Let's review some key vacation words.
Okay, say them with us.
Beach, mountain, hotel, airplane.
Passport, luggage, ticket, sunscreen.
Don't forget your sunscreen.
Seriously, it's one of the most important travel words ever.
All right, Luke, let's make it fun. Do you have any funny vacation stories?
Oh yes. One time I went to the mountains and I forgot to pack my jacket. It was freezing.
Oh no, you probably learned your lesson.
Definitely. Always check the weather before traveling.
That's actually a good phrase for listeners. Check the weather before your trip.
Or pack your clothes carefully.
Don't forget your passport.
Exactly.
Okay, everyone, let's do a short speaking exercise together.
Imagine you're talking to a friend about your vacation. Answer these questions out loud.
Question 1. Where did you go on vacation?
Question 2. What did you do there?
Question 3. Where did you stay?
Question 4. Did you have fun?
And finally, what are your plans for your next vacation? Awesome! Practicing questions like these will make your English sound more natural.
Before we go, let's practice some pronunciation together.
Great idea. Let's focus on a few vacation words that English learners often pronounce incorrectly.
First one, beach. Beach. Be careful not to say another word that sounds not so nice.
Yes. Remember, long E sound. Beach.
Next, mountain. You can say mountain. The T is soft.
And hotel. The stress is on the second syllable, ho-tel.
Another one, passport. Repeat after me, passport.
Luggage. Luggage.
Nice job. Pronunciation takes time, but practice makes progress.
And one last travel tip, when you talk about vacations in English, smile. It changes your tone completely.
Exactly. Smiling makes your English sound friendlier and more natural.
Let's quickly review some of the key phrases from today.
Good idea. Repeat after us, everyone.
I went to the beach.
I stayed at a hotel.
I took a lot of pictures.
I tried local food.
I'm going to travel next month.
I want to go somewhere warm.
Great work, everyone.
That was such a fun episode, Natalia. I'm ready to plan my next vacation already.
Me too, Luke. And we hope you, our listeners, feel ready to talk about your vacations in English.
Remember, practice makes progress. Try talking about your last vacation with a friend or even record yourself speaking.
That's a great idea. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become.
And if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to follow and share Learn English with Natalia.
Exactly. Thank you so much for listening, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.